Okay, I'm going to show us how to make a withdrawal from our FOMOEx account. Let's assume that you've signed in to your account just like I have done. I'm going to refresh this to take us back to that point again. So let's assume you've signed in and you have your TROC wallet address with you. So there is nothing else to do than to just hit the wallet button. Upon hitting the wallet button, you're going to see how much you are due for those who qualify for weekly withdrawals from their former X account. So you have no business with the USDT balance, you have no business with the ECN balance, you have no business with the MOF balance, you have no business with the FUSD balance, you have no business with the FUSDX balance. What you have to do right now is to hit the withdraw button on the FUSDC balance. And right here, there is $50 on that account. So we click on the withdraw button here. All right, so it gives us the withdraw um, platform for us to key in our TROC wallet address. All right, so I'm withdrawing direct to Binance. So what will I do? I will go to my wallets in Binance and under the wallet section, I would click on spot to give me the different digital assets there. So I'll go to USDT, and upon clicking on USDT, you click on deposit because you're withdrawing into Binance. So I click on deposit, and please be very uh, cautious here on choosing network. You have no business with Ethereum, no business with Binance Chain, no business with Binance Smart Chain, no business with Solana. So what you're doing is go for Tron TROC address. So as you can see here, this is US deposit USDT. The network is TROC20 Tron, and this is the wallet address. So copy that wallet address and return back to FOMOEx. All right, so right here on FOMOEx, I'll place that address. I'll click and put copy, paste rather. Uh, Press it for a long time, and it will give you the option of choosing paste. So then click on the withdraw button. So you will likely see a green bar on top below your wallet that says withdrawal successfully initiated. So now when you go back to the FUSDC, you would see no withdrawal button there, and you will discover that the figures there is returned to zero. That means that that has been processed for withdrawal. All right, so and when you go down to withdrawals, after transaction section, go to withdrawals, you will discover a pending transaction hash with the address which I pasted right there from Binance, and the amount is 50. The total fee, transaction fee there is 2.5 cent dollars. The transaction time is this, and the status is pending. So hopefully by the time the cutoff time that is given is exhausted, withdraw crediting will start. Thank you for watching. Please follow these instructions duly, and you have no challenges with your withdrawals. Thank you. Just in case you have any issue, kindly drop your comment or your question on the Telegram, Facebook, or whichever of our channel, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.